Service reminder lights are your vehicle's way of communicating maintenance needs. These dashboard indicators are designed to alert you when your car requires attention based on mileage, time intervals, or actual component condition. There are several common types of service reminder lights. Oil life monitors track oil degradation based on your driving conditions. General service reminders indicate scheduled maintenance intervals, and specific component alerts warn about brake service, transmission service, or other system-specific needs. Resetting these lights varies significantly by vehicle make, model, and year. For most vehicles from 2015 to 2022, a common button sequence method works well. First, turn your ignition to the on position with the engine off. Then press and hold the trip or reset button while turning the ignition off and back on. Release the button when the light resets. Some Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles use a different approach called the accelerator pedal method. Turn the ignition on with the engine off, then press the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition off to complete the reset. Newer vehicles from 2020 and beyond often use steering wheel controls and infotainment systems for service light resets. You'll navigate through the vehicle settings menu to find maintenance options, then select the reset function. This method provides a more user-friendly interface compared to button sequences. As of 2025, many newer models, especially luxury brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, require specialized diagnostic equipment. An OBD2 scanner with manufacturer-specific software is often necessary for proper service light resets. This trend reflects the increasing complexity of modern vehicle systems and the need for professional-grade tools. When service lights remain on after attempting a reset, several factors could be causing the problem. Understanding these issues is crucial for proper vehicle maintenance. The first step is always to verify that the actual maintenance has been completed. Many service lights remain on simply because the required service was not performed properly. Incomplete reset procedures account for 31% of service light problems. This is the most common issue technicians encounter. For vehicles from 2022 and newer, manufacturer-specific reset procedures are often required. Manual methods that worked on older vehicles may no longer be effective. When manual methods fail, professional diagnostic equipment becomes necessary. Modern oscilloscopes and diagnostic tools can identify complex electrical issues. Software glitches can also cause persistent service lights. Ford's Sync 4A system experienced widespread issues in 2023 and 2024, affecting over 2 million vehicles. Modern vehicles increasingly use artificial intelligence-driven systems that adjust service reminders based on actual driving conditions and component wear patterns. As diagnostic systems become more advanced, staying informed about your specific vehicle model's requirements is crucial for proper maintenance and troubleshooting.